am Zuzu the Panda. Today we are going to the forest. Are you coming with me? Let's go! So before we leave, we have to make some preparation. Let's remove my backpack first. Here it is. Before we go, we have to pack my bag. What is this? Yes, it's a bag. Say bag. What is this? That's right, it's an apple. Say apple. Yummy. Yummy, an apple for my bag. There, all packed. What is this yellow fruit? Banana. Yes, banana. Say banana. Let's keep this banana in my bag. Now, what's in the fruit basket? What are these small fruits? Grapes! Tiny grapes! Grapes! Mmm, yummy! Time to put these grapes away. There we go. What is this? Water bottle! Drink water! Glug glug! What do we wear on head? Cap. Wear cap. Wear cap. What is this? Sandwich. Yummy! This looks yummy. But I should save it for later. There, all packed. What is this? Teddy. Oh, my favorite toy! Toy goes with me! Close the bag. Zip. Close. Now walk. Zuzu! Ready?
Yes! Look at my bag!
What's inside?
Apple! Banana! Water!
Bag closed. Let's go to the bus.